Hey friends, today I am going to make some rustic hearts from grapevines and twigs. And these would be great for like home decor, add to a little gift, even in your garden. So let's get started. So I went out and I have this overgrown grapevine that I basically just grow for these crafts. And I cut that, and then I gathered some twigs, any flexible branches you have available. The key is to soak them in some warm water overnight. Now, the water that comes out of my garden hose here in the beginning, when it first starts running, is almost hot. So I'm using it for this craft today. So I've got some twigs here, and we're just going to bend them how they're natural spring. I'm just giving it a little try and getting that curve up there. And then we'll get another one. And I'm going to do the same thing. So now I'm just going to do it with wire here to start. And I'll probably wrap it with raffia or twine after, but I just want to secure it right now. Some twigs and a little patience, and you have a cute little heart. And everyone turns out a little different, so it makes it a nice rustic decor. I will make a grapevine one. And do a little weave in around the other, give them a layer. Each one will get tied on with a little bit of wire, and just to add a little fullness. Or you can just keep it simple and make it with just the one piece. So once I get layered and get my twine on, and then now I'm just touching it up here, putting this, the natural little vine grabbers that go out here, tendrils on the grapevine, and just twisting them around itself. So once this dries, it'll be secure like that, and I'm gonna just trim that up a little more. And I'm quite happy with that shape. Maybe I'll put a little raffia around it too once it's dry, or a bow, or we'll see. We'll come back to that. Thanks for crafting with me today. And if you enjoyed this project, be sure to like this video and subscribe.